The KAGE GreatER Bar skid steer land plane with retractable tooth bar is an excellent solution for overgrown driveways. The ripper teeth on this driveway grater will loosen the soil, whether dirt, sand, or gravel, including the grass, weeds, and roots intertwined in it, leveling the driveway as it goes. The scarifying teeth include removable caps for depth control, and once the spring-loaded tooth bar is deployed, using a mechanical latching foot at the front of the grater, you can rip the driveway substrate as deep as 4 1/8 inches simply by lowering the grater bar flat onto the ground and driving forward. The teeth will dig into the ground and vegetation will be lifted above the 3 grater cutting edges, while loose dirt and gravel is deposited into low-lying areas or depressions. This vegetation may need to be dumped periodically to continue scarifying and leveling the driveway. Once the substrate is loosened and large chunks of grass, weeds, and roots are removed, you don't even have to retract the teeth if you don't want to. Simply keep the grater bar flat on the ground and back up. The spring-loaded tooth bar will automatically retract the teeth while the cutting edges feather the ground. If you come across areas that need more scarifying, simply drive forward across those areas with the grater bar on the ground and go back to feathering in reverse. Repeat as needed to give that driveway a fresh start.